I welcome you all in 5 Minutes Information channel, and this is episode number 79. In this episode, I will talk about the sampling and its different type. Viewer guidance notes of this video lecture available mentioned on the video description. In this episode, I will talk about the three main points. Number one, what is sampling? Number two, what are the two main different types of sampling? Number three, what are the different types of the probability sampling? So, the point number one, what is sampling? Sampling is a selected element, people, or object chosen for the participation in a study. In a simple words, sampling reflects the characteristics of population. So, the sample finding can generalize to the population. Point number two, what are the main types of sampling? There are two main types of sampling. Number one, probability sampling. Number two, non-probability sampling. Probability sampling are the sampling where the every character of the population are chances to be select for any specific study or research. Number two, non-probability sampling. In non-probability sampling, there is a specific type of population is selected for any specific study or research. Point number three, what are the main types of probability sampling? Number one, random sampling. Number two, certified random sampling. Number three, systematic sampling. I will discuss each type one by one. Number one, random sampling. Random sampling. In random sampling, every element, member or object of the population has probability to be selected for any specific study or research. Example of random sampling, the patient who have affected from both the diseases like hypertension and diabetic in a specific population. So all the patients who have the both the same disease like hypertension and diabetic are equally chances to be selected for any specific study or research. Number two, certified random sampling. In a certified random sampling, population divided into subgroup called strata according to the some variable or variables in importance to the study. For example, selection of a primary school teacher from each school from age group 25 to 30 years from two male and two female from any specific district. Number three, systematic sampling. Systematic sampling is a type of a random sampling, but in a process, the researcher or the scholar selected the every nth number of the population is selected for the study. Like in some cases, it can be every fifth element, every seventh element, or every third element can be selected from the population. Example, like in a classroom, we have selected the 10 students. So, researcher can be selected every fourth number of the student will be participate in a specific research study. This is an example of a systematic sampling. Here I end the episode number 79. Viewer, I hope you understand what is sampling and two main types of sampling like probability sampling and non-probability sampling, and different types of probability sampling like random sampling, certified random sampling, and systematic sampling. In next episode, I will talk about the non-probability sampling. So stay connected. Thanks for watching till the end. I will back soon.